We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making our veggie burgers.
These are packed with good-for-you ingredients. When we were coming up with the recipe, we really wanted to pack in as many veggies as we could.
We didn't want them just to be a bean burger. We wanted to actually have vegetables in there.
Yeah, so we use beans as a base, but we add mushrooms and carrots and onions and broccoli and spinach and herbs and garlic. There's so many good things.
And it comes together in a really well-formed patty that is just so good. Look at that burger.
Oh, it looks so good. So many veggies.
Let's go make it.
First things first, we add brown rice to our burger mixture. You can use any kind of rice or swap it for other grains. Look for our tips on how we cook perfect brown rice in the recipe on Inspired Taste. Mushrooms add lots of flavor to the burger patties. Use a damp paper towel to brush any dirt off of them. When they are clean, roughly chop them into half-inch pieces. In addition to the mushrooms, we need carrot, broccoli, and onion. Chop these into small pieces just like the mushrooms.
For flavor, we need 2 garlic cloves. Just smash and peel them. They are going into a food processor, so you don't need to mince them. Throw the vegetables and garlic into the bowl of a food processor. Add some olive oil and spices. We love smoked paprika and chili powder. Then season with salt and ground pepper. Close the lid and process until coarsely ground. Now for the best flavor and texture, we want to roast them. Spread the ground vegetables onto a baking sheet. Spread them with a spatula until a very thin layer of vegetables covers the majority of the baking sheet. Roast for 15 minutes.
While the veggies roast, get the beans ready. Just add them to a baking sheet. Once the veggies have been in the oven for about 15 minutes, you can slide the beans into the oven alongside them. By baking the beans, they dry out, which helps to prevent mushy burgers later on. While we have the oven open, give the veggies a stir, then pat them back down and bake for another 15 minutes. While the beans and veggies finish baking, we can get the rest of the ingredients ready. Rinse your food processor, then add walnuts, spinach leaves, and your favorite fresh herbs to the bowl. Process until everything is chopped into crumbs. Once the veggies and beans have baked and cooled slightly, add them to the walnuts and spinach and pulse a few times to incorporate them. Now add breadcrumbs, eggs, and tomato paste. Pulse until everything is just combined. You want to keep some texture, so don't pulse until a smooth mixture. Scrape the mixture into a bowl and fold in the rice. By the way, if you don't eat eggs, don't worry. We have shared tips for removing them in the notes section of our recipe on Inspired Taste. This mixture makes 8 burgers. Just shape them into half-inch thick patties.
To cook them, heat some oil in a skillet and cook over medium-low heat until firm and browned on both sides. And there you go, our meatless veggie pack burgers that hold up when cooking, fit nicely on a burger bun, and don't smush out the sides when you take a bite. Most importantly though, they are delicious. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.